Hey guys, welcome back to my shitty ass channel. I'm Crystal, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make this nail tutorial. You want to start off by painting all your nails white. All the polishes I use in today's video will be in the description box below. For this next step, you can either use Hot Tips nail art pens or dotting tools, but I suggest you use dotting tools since the Hot Tips pens are quite shitty. Now for the flower design, you're going to need to put a dot of yellow wherever you want the flower to go. Now you're going to want to use your dotting tool to dot colorful dots to make them look like petals. Now to finish up the look, you're going to want to use a hollow top coat. And there you go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye!